Today is a very important day. We're celebrating the launch of the Academic Chair on Biosecurity in Animal Production in Ghent University, endowed by Sidlines and Ecolab Company.
Endowed chairs create strong partnerships and often ensure that academic knowledge is confronted with profound societal challenges, and that scientific research programs and projects are responding to these challenges with specific answers and real, tangible results.
Can we prove that biosecurity works? How can we monitor, measure, document, share data with the industry to prove that investment on biosecurity is worth the effort?
And indeed, I can tell you, it does pay off. Farmers that invest into biosecurity have lower costs. They have a little extra cost for biosecurity, but it's paid off highly by lower cost in medication, lower cost of better production performances.
And as key point of prevention, biosecurity is of course of utmost importance.
That biosecurity is a key component of any public health strategy to prevent controlled diseases, so it's of real importance for the public authorities, for public health, it's there, but also it's of particular importance for the farmer. We will try to provide effective solutions to answer the needs of farmers and to answer the needs of industry.